There's Donna standing across the street now. Michael taking some pictures. See if I can get a better look at that crane. There you can see we've got the street coned off for probably most of the storefront for sure. Okay, let's go see. There's Brian and his guy getting the units ready. Down. I'm not going to be able to be over here when the crane is in operation. Let's take a look down. Storefront across the street. Let's see. And here's our crane. Get ready to put his feet out. Taking what? Four spaces? Let's get ready to do so.